What are the different types of noble gases?
Noble gases are the chemical elements in the group 18 in the periodic table. They are the most stable due to having the maximum number of valence electrons their outer shell can hold. Therefore, they rarely react with other elements since they are already stable.
Other characteristics of the noble gases are that they all conduct electricity, fluorines, are odorless and colorless, and are used in many conditions when a stable element is needed to maintain a safe and constant environment. This chemical series contains helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, oganesson, and radon.
The noble gases were previously referred to as inert gases, but this term is not strictly accurate because several of them do take part in chemical reactions. Helium is a chemical element with the symbol He and atomic number 2. It is a colorless, odorless, tasteless, non-toxic, inert monatomic gas, the first in the noble gas group in the periodic table. Its boiling point is the lowest among all the elements. Helium is the second lightest and second most abundant element in the observable universe. It is present at about 24% of the total elemental mass, which is more than 12 times the mass of all the heavier elements combined. Its abundance is similar to this in both the Sun and in Jupiter. Argon is a chemical element with the symbol Ar and atomic number 18. Argon is the third most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere. It is more than twice as abundant as water vapor, 23 times as abundant as carbon dioxide, and more than 500 times as abundant as neon. Argon is the most abundant noble gas in the Earth's crust, comprising 0.00015% of the crust. Krypton is a chemical element with the symbol Kr and atomic number 36. It is a colorless, odorless, tasteless noble gas that occurs in trace amounts in the atmosphere and is often used with other rare gases in fluorescent lamps. With the rare exceptions, krypton is chemically inert.
Oganesson is a synthetic chemical element with the symbol Og and atomic number 180. It was first synthesized in 2002 at the Joint Institute for Nuclear Research or JINR in Dublin. In December 2015, it was recognized as one of 4 new elements by the Joint Working Party of the International Scientific Bodies, IUPAC and IUPAP. It was formally named on November 28, 2016. The name is in the line with the tradition of honoring a scientist. In this case, the nuclear physicist Yuri Oganesson, who has played a leading role in the discovery of the heaviest elements in the periodic table.
Xenon is a chemical element with the symbol Xe and atomic number 54. It is a colorless, dense, odorless noble gas found in Earth's atmosphere in trace amounts, although generally unreactive. Xenon can undergo a few chemical reactions such as the formation of xenon hexafluoroplatinate, the first noble gas compound to be synthesized.
Neon is a chemical element with the symbol Ne and atomic number 10. It is a noble gas. Neon is a colorless, odorless, inert monatomic gas under standard conditions, with about 2/3 the density of air. It was discovered in 1898 as one of the 3 residual rare inert elements remaining in dry air, after nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and carbon dioxide were removed. Neon was the second of these 3 rare gases to be discovered and was immediately recognized as a new element from its bright red emission spectrum. Radon is a chemical element with the symbol Rn and atomic number 86. It is a radioactive, colorless, odorless, tasteless noble gas. It occurs naturally in minute quantities as an intermediate step in the normal radioactive decay chains through which the thorium and uranium slowly decay into lead and various other short-lived radioactive elements. Radon itself is the immediate decay product of radium.
Its most stable has a half-life of only 3.8 days.